Assalamu alaikum, it's Desi Asmat here with another recipe for you folks, and this time it's fish की सज्जी। तो फिश की सज्जी बनाने के लिए पहले हम चूल्हा तैयार कर लेंगे, लकड़ लगा लेंगे और लकड़ के सामने मिट्टी सजा देंगे। Then you got to start the fire, of course, and here I'm going to use my magnesium fire starter. मैग्नीशियम के छिलके निकाल के उसके ऊपर चिंगारी लगा के तो वो चिंगारी के साथ आग जल जाती है। इसके ज़रिए से हम ये लकड़ को जलाएंगे। So the fish which I am going to use, ideally it should have been a roe or a larger fish with more flesh on it. I've managed to get hold of sea bream and I'm using sea bream, but with hindsight, of course, I would have used a larger fish. Sajji is the name given to the process of slow cooking a fish in front of a wood fire. Now let's have a look at the spice mix which I'm going to use. So I have some black cardomoms. So these are all the dry spices, of course, and these dry spices will be grinded down to a powder. Some black cardamom, some coriander seeds, black pepper, and some zira. I am showing you quite a large quantity here. I didn't use all that quantity. I also have some fruit chaat masala. Chaat masala is really just a kind of tangy kind of mix. Usually has ginger powder, chili powder, has some amchur in it, and I'm also going to use some imli, which is tamarind pulp. इसके साथ खटास आएगी मच्छी के ऊपर. So my fire is kind of dancing away quite nicely, और fire के सामने of course वो सज्जी को सजाएंगे, लगाएंगे, सज्जी को काटेंगे, मच्छी को फिर सीखों के ऊपर चढ़ा के इसके सामने रखेंगे, so that the fish can cook nicely in front of the fire. It's going to take at least 2 hours for it to cook. So as you can see here, we're now I'm removing the fins from the fish. So it's a special process. We remove the fins. We don't need to descale the fish. You don't need to remove the head and you don't need to remove the tail. It's then sliced vertically in the center, opened up, and then skewered vertically and skewered horizontally, and then those skewers are simply placed in front of the fire. तो देखते जाएं पहले मच्छी को मैंने सजा लिया है. The machhi is all ready. The fish is ready. Machhi is just a Punjabi word for fish, folks. If you're wondering, I'm saying machhi a few times. So I've salted the fish. I've salted it up, and now I'm going to skewer it from tail to head. So पूंछल से लेके सर तक उसको अंदर सीख लगा लें. And then you take the lacquer, the wood barbecues. I've used those to move horizontally, and that keeps the fish open. That will keep it open in front of the fire. I'm now going to remove the excess wood from the skewers. Once the excess wood is removed from the skewers, I will then use some tin foil to create a sort of barrier on the base of the skewer, and this will prevent the fish from slipping down onto the soil, because the skewers are going to be placed directly onto the soil, so it needs something there to stop that fish from slipping down. Get the fire nice and going. I'm going to have to keep feeding the fire, of course. I kept feeding this fire for nearly 2 hours. You don't want a very, very large flame, just a very light flame, not super hot. We're not barbecuing the fish. मच्छी को सिर्फ हल्की सी सेक लगना चाहिए. Keep turning it, of course. You keep turning backwards and forwards. I kept turning backwards and forwards. The fish will dry up completely. Once the fish dries up completely, remember I've only added salt at this stage. No other spices have gone on this. Once the fish is dried up completely, then we'll remove it. As you can see, that's about 2 hours. Then remove the skewers. मच्छी को निकालें, सजाएं, उसके ऊपर फिर हम मसाले लगाएंगे, मसाला इमली चटनी लगाएंगे. Then you put the spices, Get all the, so I've grinded all the spices up. I've taken the imli, the tamarind, turned that into a pulp, and I am just brushing that pulp onto the fish. मुंह में पानी आ गया देखते देखते. And then once the imli's gone on, enough imli, tamarind, then I start to powder it using the ground spices, mix them all up together, and this will create a really nice spicy sort of taste on the fish. You could add some lemon juice at this stage as well, or some lime juice. That would be nice too. I didn't use that here, of course. But the fish is in a very dry state just now. It's been cooking away for 2 hours. Of course, it's going to be dried. Sprinkle the powder spice onto the fish. Put some more imli on it. And this is just eaten. You can either eat this with a chapati, some naan bread or something, and just picked off the top of the fish. You don't turn the fish, the scales. That's how, exactly as you see, that's how it's eaten. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching, and do comment. Your support is encouraging. Allah Hafiz. See you later, folks. Bye.